Hello friends, again warm welcome to Fisheries Only, Nourishing Fish, Nurturing Life, an educational YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the India's top freshwater fishes, the inland fisheries, and its top fishes such as the major carps, minor carps, exotic carps, then murals, catfishes, and other fishes come under this category, that is freshwater fishes of the India. And we are going to discuss these the freshwater fishes, the top freshwater fishes of the India. First, we will see the total inland production, that is freshwater production, is near about 87,58,050 tons, and this is from the authentic source, that is Handbook of Fisheries Science 2018. And these are the segregation top fishes comes, that is first one is a major carps, which contribute near about 66.9%, and total production about 58,63,263 tons. Then second one is minor carps, it contribute near about 6.7%, and total production is about 5,86,321 tons. Then third category comes for the exotic carps, that is exotic carps is nothing but the carps fishes which brought from the foreign to India for the increase the fish production. That is not our indigenous fishes, not our native fishes. These are the exotic or foreign fishes which brought for India to increase India's fish production. That exotic carps, mostly common carps, silver carp, and grass carps, and comes under these categories, and production is near about 8.6%. The total contribution of these exotic carps is total production is 8.6%, and it is 7,53,560. Then comes murals. Murals are the highly delicious, tasty fish which contribute to the freshwater production, and mostly the Channa species or Opiocephalus species comes under this. India having mostly three important Channa species, and it contribute near about 2.2% of the total production, that is 1,88,753 tons comes. Then catfishes are also plays a major role in total production, that is 7% of all catches comes from the catfishes, and mostly the Olegato and Pangasius species comes under this, and total production is near about 6,13,136 tons. And this is data for 2018, which is taken from the Handbook of Fisheries Statistics 2018. And other fishes also contribute near about 8.6%, and it is near about 7,53,017 tons. Thus, we clearly indicate the India's top fishes. We will see their features and how they looks and their shapes and designs and the morphological appearance. Let's move. First, we'll see the major carps. Major carps are nothing but the carps which are grow bigger in size. That's why it's called as major carp, which having growth rate higher, and its production is near about 66.9%. How the role played by these major carp, that is Indian major carp, IMC, that is Indian major carps. Three carps are major carps, that is Katla, Rohu, and Mrigals are the major carps. Let's see. Katla is a common name of the fish, and it comes under the Indian major carps. Its scientific name is Katla, common name is Katla, and it comes under family Cyprinidae. Next one, rohu. The scientific name is Labio rohita, commonly called as rohu, and comes under the family Cyprinidae. It is a very tasty fish. The mouth is terminal and reddish tinge we can see here on the fins and on the scales also. Third one major calf is mrigal. Its scientific name is Syrianus mrigala. Common name is mrigal. Comes under the family Cyprinidae. Now we will see the next category, that is minor calves. In minor calves, mostly the fishes, that calf family fishes, that is Cypridae family, other fishes, that is Labio calbaso and Labio other species, other fishes, other weed fishes, and all fish are comes under in this family, and its place near about 6.7%. Then we move towards the exotic calf. The exotic calves are the fishes which brought from the foreign country to our country to enhance our fish production, and mostly we'll see the top fishes. In top fishes it is come the common carp, grass carp, and silver carp. First we will see the common carp. Scientific name is Cyprinus carpio. Common name is common carp. It comes under family Cyprinidae. Genus is Cyprinus and species is Carpio. Next one is silver carp. The scientific name is Hypophthalmis molitrix. Common name is silver carp. Family Cyprinidae. Genus Hypophthalmis molitrix. Species molitrix species. Next one is third exotic fish is grass carp. Scientific name is Stenopharigodon edilla. Common name is grass carp. Family Cyprinidae. Genus Stenopharigodon and species edilla. It is called as a grass carp. It mostly feeds on the grasses or vegetables material, plant material inside the pond. Now we will see the next category, that is marals. That is Ophinocephalus species, that is Channa species. It is contribute near about 2.2% to the total inland or freshwater production. And the species in India, there are 3 species are most important which comes under maral. Maral is a very tasty fish, very delicious fish. It mostly costs near the 400 to 600 per kg, and it is highly sturdy as well as a tasty fish. First species is striped maral. That is common name is striped maral. Scientific name is Channa striatus. Second species of maral is great snakehead maral, and scientific name is Channa marulis. Third species of maral which found in the India is spotted snakehead maral, and scientific name is Channa punctatus. These 3 species are mostly abundant species in maral family which contribute to India's top fishes. Now next we will see the most category which contribute near about 7%, that is catfishes. In catfishes mostly the Olagoatu and Pangasius species will come First one we will see the Volagoatto. Common name is freshwater shark. It is commonly called as freshwater shark. Scientific name is Olagoatto. Family is Siluridae. This comes under the family Siluridae, genus Olago, species Atto. How it is a highly carnivorous fish, comes under catfishes. Then second one, fish which contribute to the catfishes of freshwater, that is Pangas catfish. Scientific name is Pangasius pangasius. Common name is Pangas catfish. It comes under Pangasidae family, genus Pangasius, and species also Pangasius. And last we will see the other freshwater fishes are comes under this family and which contribute near about 6.4, and here so many fishes are come here. Thus the friends, we seen the top India's freshwater fishes which contribute to fish production, that is the inland fish production, that is freshwater production of the India. So if you like this video, please press on like button, subscribe the channel, promote the channels. Let's see in next video. Thank you.